Let's draw and color a cute sushi. First, draw the fluffy rice with lots of little bumpy curves. Next, draw a big curved shape on top of the rice for the salmon. Draw two big round eyes and a tiny smiling mouth in the middle to make it cute. Fantastic! Now let's color. Color the salmon with bright orange. Now draw white stripes across it. We did it! Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.